We have more than 3,000 tons of concrete there. You've got a structure that has collapsed, sitting precariously. So you've got slabs at many angles being carried, sometimes hung by the reinforcing steel in it.
Nasiza imwenje bebalikhomba abantu ababhubhe ngemva kokuwela mmakhiwo ozintezitezi ogirike George Jingalanga Kapa abahlanguli basafunana nabanye.
The story of 30 years of democracy contained in this report is an honest and critical appraisal.
Umengameli uthi iminyaka ema-30 edlulileyo yedemocracy ibe neentshijilo zayo kodwa engurhulumente akufinyeleleko. Sihlanganisele etafuleni yendaba zesiNdebele Auckland Park sizifunda zisashisa ku-SABC1 lotshani. Bewusaraga ngemva kwamadina umsebenzi wokufuna nokuhlangula ukulandela umakhiwo ozintezitezi ogirike George Jingalanga Kapa ngomvulo ngemva kwamadina. Balikhomba abantu eqinisekisiweko bona ababhubhile kanti abama-39 bebasamenyezeleke ngaphasi kwefuqufuqu. Abahlanguli baseselapho basebenza ubusuku nemini ukuhlangula laba abangakabi ukutholakala.
Lilanga lesithathu namhlanje uraga umsebenzi okufunana nabantu abagirikelwe mumakhiwo ekade basebenza kibo. Ibantwini abama-36 abadose ngaphasi kwefuqufuqu abalikhomba babhubhile kuthi abali-16 basebujameni obubazekako esibhedlela. Ikhampani ekhethekileko esebenza ngokususa itsheboya inikela umsebenzi ukukha ngobutsha indawo ihlala inkoloyi engemuva kwamakhiwo owile kulo ukusiza ngomsebenzi wokuhlangula abasesengaphasi. Bangaphezu kwama-200 abasebenza abahlangulako abasendaweni sehlakalo.
We had a number of people, as you know, that were trapped that we could hear. There were people that we located with the dogs, and then we went in with our seismic equipment and we were able to release a large number of people. I think as far as I know, and it's probably one of the largest number of people that have ever been rescued in a building collapse of this nature.
Njengoma makhiwo bakhiwa lo mhlobo wamakhiwo ozintezitezi nomsebenzi okukhuphuka bese urakile kunentshijilo abahlanguli abahlangabezana nazo.
The challenge that we face is we have more than 3,000 tons of concrete there. You've got a structure that has collapsed, sitting precariously. So you've got slabs at many angles being carried, sometimes hung by the reinforcing steel in it, over to other parts of the structure. We've been monitoring it carefully to make sure it's not moving. Yesterday at one stage we had to move people out of various areas when the structure was moving. For about 24 hours we were quite stable. But as we've got large amounts of concrete that they're trying to break through to get access to the voids where people may be trapped. The challenge we're having is just the sheer quantity of demolition that they've got to go through.
Umsebenzi uzokuraga bekubekula funyana upoka abantu abavaleleke ngaphasi.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uhlathulule umbiko obuyekeza ama-30 wedemocracy yaseSouth Africa njengothembekileko begodwa oveza ubuhle nobumbi belizwe lekhethu kunye neentshijilo isitshaba esihlangabezene nazo. Ukhulume njalo umengameli amkela umbiko wokubuyekezwa kwedemocracy eminyakeni ema-30.
Mbiko wehlandla lesihlanu obuyekeza idemocracy elizweni leSouth Africa onikelwe umengameli. Umbiko lo uqala ikhambo leSouth Africa eminyakeni ema-30 edlulileko solo kwafika idemocracy. Umengameli uthena kumukela umbiko wathi uveza intshijilo nempumelelo yenziweko ngaphasi kwedemocracy.
The story of 30 years of democracy contained in this report is an honest and critical appraisal. It presents both light and shade, both progress and challenges.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi nanyana iminyaka ema-30 ibonakala ngasuthi minengi nje kodwa na eqinisweni ayisimngako. Uvumile ukuthi ebantwini abazingidi ngengidi beSouth Africa isithembiso sango-1994 asikabi ukuba majuguluko la abawafunako nabafaneleko.
Our goal is a better South Africa, a transformed South Africa, a South Africa that leaves no one behind.
Umengameli ubuye wathi idemocracy yeSouth Africa isekelwa mthethosisekelo oqinileko nengaba zombuso ezivikela idemocracy nabantu abaphila ngaphasi kwayo.
Our constitutional fabric was challenged in July 2021 It was another important shock absorber that held our country up. The people said, there are people fomenting violence and unrest. We are not going to allow them.
Kusesenjalo njengomana ilizwe ligidinga iminyaka ema-30 yedemocracy enye godu ithwaya mlando isemnyango ngamakhetho angomhla ka-29 kiyo inyanga le. Abanengi bathi amakhetho la aqakathekile begodu ayakarisa njengalaya wango-1994.
Inhlangano zepolitiki enrathu ezikhutshiweyo emaphepheni wokuvota ngemva kokuthi ikomishini yezamakhetho iphawe imbawu zazo ziyaye ekhotho yezomthetho-sisekelo ukulinga ukuthi zingene nazo ehelweni lenhlangano eziyokuvotelwa. I-African Congress of Transformation, i-Labour Party kunye ne-African Alliance of Social Democrats zakhutshwa ikhotho yezamakhetho ehelweni lenhlangano ezizihlolisele ukungenela amakhetho ngemva kokubhalelwa kulandela imigomo ye-Section 27 yomthetho wezamakhetho.
Inhlangano endathu zisole iwebsite ye-IEC ngokungasebenzi kuhle mhlazana zizihlolisela kuba sehelweni labo ngikhethani kodwa na ikhotho yezamakhetho yathola bona yayisebenza kuhle iwebsite ye-IEC ngesikhathi sokuzihlolisela kuba sehelweni labo ngikhethani. I-Labour Party iyakuphikisa lokhu kanti ifaka isibawo sokuthi kuthuliswe amakhetho.
That's just untrue. 35% failure rate is not a small minority, and 65% is not a vast majority.
Ihlangano i-African Congress for Transformation i-ACT ithi akufanele bona indaba yabo iqalwe ngelihlo lokuthi ezinye inhlangano zikhonile ukuhlangabezana nesikhathi esibekiweko alobo nababhalelwa yini.
My client's inability to do it was because of reasons an objective impossibility, not because they left it for the last minute. With respect, we also take issue with that.
I-African Alliance of Social Democrats ithi i-IEC bekufanele batshele kusesenesikhathi bona abakakulungela ukungenela amakhetho. Ihlangano lena ijamekile ithi konke lokhu kubangelwe kungasebenzi kuhle kwewebsite ye-IEC ngesikhathi sokuzihlolisa.
If you go to why did AASD not comply, the reasons are the same. It waited until a second before the deadline. Why did it wait? Because it misunderstood the system.
Ikhotho ithi nakukuthi website ye-IEC beyingasebenzi kuhle inhlangano zizibhalelwe yini ukuya ema-ofisini we-IEC ukuyozihlolisa khona.
You're in Gauteng. Given the traffic, you're probably an hour and a half at maximum away from Centurion's head office. You choose not to go there. On what basis can we say that, let's accept there's a 35% failure rate. On what basis can we say that these explanations for the possible reasons why you have not complied are tenable?
Isahlulelo sigodliwe.
Ikomishini ezijameleko yezekhetho i-IEC ithi konke sekujame ngefanele ukuqinisekisa bona abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka bavota ngokuchaphuluka ekhethweni elizako. Ngokutsho kweziwe lembalobalo elizweneli, abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka benza amaphesenti alikhomba nesiqundu esibalweni sabantu belizweli.
Abangezeleli isibalo kwaphela kodwa nabantu abanemfiso amabhudango nomnqopho kanjengoma nabahlali belizweli bazabe bavota isibawo sabo kuphiwa amathuba nganamkhawulo.
I am looking for a party that will allow persons living with disabilities to actively participate as economically active people.
We need a lot of, a lot of care, healthcare for the people that have special needs.
Not many people with disabilities are encouraged to vote because of, the lack of inclusivity in the country.
Kodwa kunokuthonyeka ngetemplate yephepha lokuvota kiyo yonke indawo. Template siza kuvota lapho iphepha lokuvota lifakwa ngakhona. Begodwa lisetshenziswa babantu abanomraro wezandla ezingakanzinzi kuhle.
Our people are not getting trained out there on how to use the UBT and how to, the whole voter education is not there.
Isivumelwano sehlanganisela yenitshaba ezibumbeneko malungana namalungelo abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka sitsimelele kutheni banamalungelo alingana nawumuntu wonke empilweni. Abanye bathi imithetho emunye elitho isivumelwano samazwe ngamazwe esi yahlanakelwa.
It was set up, written by persons with disabilities for persons with disabilities, where they need to get signatures to approve it so that all of our countries can accept it to include persons with disabilities.
Nanyana kunjalo, hlangano yezekhetho ithi amalungiselelo abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka ayatshejwa.
We'll have two versions of the UBT, Universal Ballot Template, this election. One will be a double column UBT to accommodate the double column national ballot.
Eminyakeni engaphezulu kwamashumi amabili edluleko le, uhulumende besola phasisa imithetho eminengana eyamukela nabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka. Lokhu kufaka hlangana imali yesibonelelo sabakhubazekileko nomthetho okatelela bona yonke imakhiwo kahulumende yakheke ngendlela yamukela nabantu abakhubazekileko.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
Any solution of the Sudan crisis which must last must be owned by the Sudanese people.
Ingidi ngengidi zabantu beSudan babulawa indlala kanti nomhlaka ubhokile. Zikanye zasikima imfundiso nabahubhululi. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1. Kanti indaba lezi zikhona ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC Plus. Asirage nazo. Insurance yezempilo i-NHI ingenziwa kwaphela nange kungabandulwa abonesi nabodokotela abaneleko. Ukwenzela ukulwisana nokuhlayela kwamakghonofundwa emkhakheni wezempilo. Isikhulu sezempilo uPeter Watton Hood uveze lokhu nabe kakhuluma nembikindaba njengoba nakulindelwe ukugidingwa kwelanga labonesi ngosondo lwesiya kuye.
Kanengi ibizelo lokuhlogomela abantu licalelwa phasi nangaphandle kokuzikhandla kwabonesi bebasebenze nama-hour amade kangaka. Kanengi abonesi bahlala badiniwe ngonobangela wokusebenza ama-hour ali-12 ngelanga begodu bazizwa bangakaphephi emsebenzini yabo. Ngosonde esiyakiyo lo iphasi lizabe ligidinga ukusebenza kwabonesi ngokuzikhandla nokuqinisekisa ukuthi abantu abagulako bayaphila baphole.
Our role expands further than just our hospital walls. When you are out in the community, you are the call of, listen, something's wrong with me, what should I do? Primary healthcare steps in already, preventative healthcare steps in already, and our roles take place outside of just going to work every single day.
So we've come through a pandemic, and that really threw our practice a curveball, and we had to recalibrate, rethink how we deliver care to our patients. So in that context, we are consistently seeking diverse education and training opportunities.
ISouth Africa iqalene nesitshijilo sokuhlayelelwa abonesi njengombana iningi labo seleliseduze nokuthatha umhlala phasi kanti abasibaningi abonesi ababandulelwa ibizelweli. Lokhu ke kubangela ukuthi babe bancane abantu abaneziqu nabangena emkhakheni lo qobe nyaka. Isikhulu sezamaphilo sithi batsho i-NHI angeze yaphumelela ngalezi nzathu.
Let's look at what the keystones are from a requirements perspective in society to actually get to that enviable goal. More nurses, more doctors, more hospital managers. That's what we need. So in that particular context, we don't have more nurses and we don't have more doctors. NHI is not going to happen.
Nonyaka nje umkhandlu ongamela abonesi uthethe isiqundo sesiqubulo esithi the economic power of care.
Istimela esinikela ngesizo lezempilo iTransnet Philo Pepper Healthcare Services Train sembombela eMpumalanga. Istimela esikhamba iSouth Africa yonke ukunikela ngensiza zempilo ekufaka hlangana itshejo lezomkhumbulo amehlo nokhunye.
Abantu abadala nabancane bavela kizo zonke indawo zeMpumalanga bajama umjeje lapha ukuthola isizo lezempilo. Istimela sezempilo iPhilo Pepper Healthcare Train sebenzisa umthangalasekelo wemporo oselukhona ukusayensiza zezempilo eziqhakathekileko khulukhulu endaweni ezisemakhaya.
The turnout has been great. The fact that people would want to sacrifice even the comfort of their bed just to be here and make sure that they are first in the line, and then that's what pushes us to also reach out.
Izakhamuzi zembombela nendawo eziseduze zikuthabela ukufika kwesitimela isimi zithi zithola isizo lezempilo elisezingeni eliphezulu lesitimeleni esimi.
I am with my daughter here. We came to talk to the psychologist, Pillow Pepper. So we have a lot of people that are helping us.
Isitimela esikulindeleke bona sichinge Limpopo emvekeni emibili ezizako.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngendaba le. Nakumbona ukhelandela mbukela.
Mina bengithi kwakhiwe inkliniki nembedlela kuqashiwe abonesi nabodoktor ngoba isitimela siyeza siyanceda sincede baqeda siyapha
amavota sonrele zinenge into zokwenzakalako and then ngifuna ukubona mina ukuthi after vote into zisazokwenzeka na
into enhle kakhulu leyo kuzosiza kakhulu umphakathi kunabantu abangakhona ukufinyelela mhlambe emtholampilo kodwa makukhona lesitimela bazokwazi ukuthi besondele siseduzane.
Into eyenza nguTransnet inhle kakhulu iqhwabela izandla ngaske nezinye ikampani singafunda nto apha kuTransnet.
Into uma yinhle kumele siyincome ngiyancoma kakhulu bezempilo noTransnet ngalesitimela sengazi ukuthi singaqhubeka nomphela kuba ungabe into yesikhashana.
Ayi mina ngithi into enhle kakhulu leyenziwa on Transnet ngifise ngazuthi bangahambela wonke nje ama province namadorobha amakhulu.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ezokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Nasilalamela zangaphandle sifumana ezithi ingidi ngengidi zabantu beSudan baqalene nomtlhago ngonobangela wepi eyathoma ngomnyaka opheleleko elizweni eli. Iningi libulewe kanti elinye liphumile elizweni labalekela emazweni angaphandle. Intshaba ezibumbeneko zihlathulule ubujamo njengoba uyihlekelele. Izazi nabahubhululi babuthene eJohannesburg econference ebeyidoswa phambili iThabo Mbeki Foundation ukukhulumisana ngendaba yeSudan.
Kuthuthumba ingidi ubusuku nemini. Sele kuyinto ejayelekileko elizweni elivithizwe yipi yombango. Abomma nabantwana bayabaleka bachiye konke ngemva bayokuthoma ipileja engikampeni zabaphalali. Amazwe aseduze kufanele aqalane nabaphalali kunye nentshijilo abeza nazo. Ama-Afrika ahlanganise inhloko eJohannesburg alinga ukuthola isisombululo sendaba le. Umhlangano ohlanganise abahola abaphezulu abama-60 abavela enarhenikazi ye-Afrika lo ugcine ngemiphumela enqophe ukuletha izisombululo zomraro lo. Kulindeleke ukuthi ngokhukhulamungu kubanjwe umhlangano wokuphumeleliswa kwamahlelo wokuletha ukuthula nokuphepha kanti kulindeleke ukuthi umhlangano lo ubanjelwe eJohannesburg. Umengameli waphambilini uThabo Mbeki ubawe amahlangothi alwako eSudan bona abeke phasi ngikhali.
Any solution of the Sudan crisis which must last must be owned by the Sudanese people.
Umbiko wentshaba ezibumbeneko uveza ukuthi isiqundo sabantu beSudan bahloka insiza zobuntu kanti uthi abantu abayi-6.8 million bachidisiwe kubalahlangana abantwana abazingidi ezine kanti abanye abantu abadlula ku-14,000 bona ngababuleweko ngesikhathi sepile.
Ngezemali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje ake sihlole bona bakhambe njani abazulu. Akwande sibu?
Akwande ethandeka silotshisa umbukeli okhona usekhaya hlangana nendaba esiziphethe kwentambama namhlanje isitimela esinensiza zamaphilo sivakatshele endaweni ezisemakhaya lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga la balethe khona isizo lezamaphilo Ngale kwalokho umholi wehlangano ye-Economic Freedom Fighters uJulius Malema uvakatshele eKwaGafontein kumasipala weThembisile lapha kwaNdebele. Ngale kwalokho-ke kancane liyachidela ilanga lamakhetho enarheni yeSewula Afrika. Namhlanje njengombana kungolosithathu nje bakhona abavela kwa-IEC ngamahlelo wabo amlandelande ukuhamba bafundisa isitshaba ngalokhu ebangakulindela emakhethweni wanonyaka. Ngizo-ke indaba esizibetheko inambama namhlanje sithokoza kakhulu.
Sithokoza Sibu. Mbukeli indaba ezikhona ngeSiswati kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako. Nasibuye entolo ngubusayi nobujamo bezulu. Thula kwande isitshaba sekosi. Sithokozile Thandeka uzifundile indaba kuzwakele. Mbukele ekhaya lotshani ngelesithathu entambama sibona lapha ke amafu kusuka lapha endaweni zabo Uppington akhamba njalo afike ngaleke ngendaweni zangakubo Durban egwini elingePumalanga nenarha yeSewula Afrika. Kusasa bonakala lapha ke ikhonakala yomlilo wamahlathi kulezi ndawo ukusukela lapha eNorthern Cape uze ngapha godu nakancancazana esifundeni sangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa. Sizokusuduka ukwazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi amazinga wokushisa anjani. Sithoma ngapha ngesifunda sangeGauteng sibona lapha eBronkosbreed ifuthumele iPitori Johannesburg pheze nje nawuthi uyaqala futhumele yonke iGauteng. Kusasa ke eLimpopo libonakala lifuthumele eTzanini lifuthumele eThohoyandou nalapha ePhalabhura eMusina kamnandihle nge-28 degrees Celsius. Siyokuqala ukuthi sinjani sifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga boMalahleni kufuthumele Middleburg siyabona ke nge-25 Mashishi nge-26 Sikhukhuza iyachisa nge-31. Siyokuqalela isifunda sangaleke ngeKwaZulu Natal siyabona lapha ukuthi iRichards Bay iyachisa iDurban yona ke ifuthumele nge-28 nawuthi uqala eKokstad ibonakala ifuthumele nge-28 nayo. Sifunda sangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa siyabona ukuthi endaweni eziningi kuyachisa boKomani kuyachisa Mthatha khulu nge-34 iGraafrenet nge-30 kodwa ke ezinye indawo kufuthumele ngaleke ngePumalanga ngeTjingalanga Kapa libonakala lifuthumele nakhona endaweni eziningi nokho ke iCape Town imakhazana nangemva kwamadina nge-18 degrees Celsius. Siyalapha ke sifundeni sangeNorthern Cape sibone ukuthi ngakhani khona kunjani. Springboks sifuthumele Uppington iyachisa nge-32 iKimberley nge-30 iSutherland ipholile ke nge-23 Freystata ibonakala yona ke ifuthumele pheze sonke isifunda iBothaville ngayachisa ke yona ke nge-30. Siyokuqalela kokugcina isifunda sangaleke ngeNorth West ukuthi ngakhani sona sinjani. Siyabonakala ke ukuthi sifuthumele endaweni eziningi lapha ke eTosca sibonakala sichisa nge-32 kungakho besikuphathele khona. Sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Tiro.